Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to delete your Snapchat footsteps on an Android phone. Footsteps refer to the movement trail shown on SnapMap, and clearing them helps maintain your privacy. Let's dive right into the process to keep your location history clean. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Next, tap the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. After that, scroll down carefully until you find the option labeled Map. Tap on Map to continue. Look for the option that says Delete My Footsteps and tap on it. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Delete to confirm. Your footsteps are now deleted and your recent map activity is cleared. That's it! You've successfully removed your footsteps from SnapMap. For more helpful guides like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.